Follow these steps to unlock doors and review your appointments easily. Arrive at the facility at your booked time. Open the Shotgun Golf app. Enter your username and password to log in. Scroll down to view your upcoming and past appointments. Locate your current appointment at the top of the list. Click on Unlock Door in the app. Tap Open Door to unlock. The doors will now open automatically. There's no need for an unlock code. The scheduled bay computer unlocks automatically at the time of your booking. You're now ready to begin your session with Shotgun Golf.